So, how to make a pie crust from scratch using your food processor. I hope everybody has a KitchenAid food processor. It comes with a plastic blade in the assortment of blades that come with it. And that plastic blade is perfect for doing pie crust. So I've got in here 2 cups of frozen butter, and I'm going to add to that, this is 2 cups of all-purpose flour. The whole thing can just get dumped right in here. And then in addition to the flour, we need some salt. That's about maybe 2 teaspoons of salt. Even though the butter has salt in it, it's still good to have salt in the actual dough. And so now we got to get the lid on properly. There we go. Get this plugged in. And the way that we do this is we pulse. So here we go. Nice thumb press on the pulse. We want it to look like Rice Krispies. Make sure you have ice water standing by. I've got mine right there because we're going to do that next. So remember, we started with frozen butter cubed, and it was equal parts butter to flour. In this case, 2 cups. And you do want to pulse, don't want to be on high for this. You can see it start to kind of crumble and come together, but we've still got a ways to go. It's starting to look a little bit like Rice Krispies, but not totally. Basically, the butter is encasing the flour so that when you add the ice water, the flour will be covered in fat, and so the water isn't going to have the flour just soak into it like that, because we want a buttery, flaky crust. So you can see it's starting to come together. It's looking a little more like Rice Krispies at this point. A little bit more. So now's a good time to drizzle in the ice water. So we got to get it in this chute. It kind of drips down. You can do a couple tablespoons at a time right there. It has a max fill line. And we're going to pulse as it drips. You can see it start to come together with more water there. And it does still need more water, so here we go with a little bit more, right up to that fill line. This probably will be it. We're about there. Okay, so I'm going to come back with the lid off.